All right, gang, good morning. Welcome to The Carpenter. You're watching The Carpenter. My name's Mike. Today's a big day because we got this huge freaking window to put in. I don't know if you can get the scale of this, but this thing is big. I don't know about this one by myself, guys. This is just huge. I don't got my suction cups. I don't got nothing. But I'm gonna give her a try here. It's early. I had my coffee. It's time to get after it. Here we go, guys. All right, man. This is it. This thing. I don't know if you can get the scale of this. This is a giant freaking window. Now, I've put in windows before, but man, oh man. This thing is freaking huge. So, here we go. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Mike. You're watching The Carpenter. All right, now, quick little intro on this video. I'm gonna show you how to install a pane glass. Something like this right here, okay? Something that broke out right here. See that right there? Very easy, guys. All you need is your brain, some gloves, eyewear, and that's about it. Let's do it. All right, I got my safety glasses on. Now this one's a little different, guys. This one's a little different because this window is bashed out. This window is, I mean, there's really not a window there anymore. So what we're gonna do is we don't have to be careful. We can be pretty rough with it. So I'm just gonna work it out with some chisels and not get cut and keep my eyeglasses on, and we'll work it out. All right, there you have it. Now make sure you get all of the black silicone from around all the old silicone. Make sure you get all that out of there. Once you get all that out of there, you can prep it to put in the new piece of glass. Okay, so we're gonna do that right now. All right, I'm gonna run my bead right around the edge right there. Okay, I'm gonna run my bead, and I'm gonna place it right in there. Okay. All right, guys. What I do is, here's the new window. Okay, this is the new window. What I like to do before, when I put the edge, the trim pieces on the border, is I like to run a bead of some quad in there to really make it stick on. And then I just, like so. You know, try to keep it somewhat clean. You know. And there we go. This window is ready for installation. All right, now that we got it all cleaned up, we're gonna get a vacuum and we're gonna vacuum it out. Like so. I can't do it with one hand. All right, catch you on the flip side. All right, guys, there you go. There you have it. That's how you place the window. If you like, please like and subscribe. Smash that bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. Check out the windows. Not too shabby, huh? Not too shabby.